An eye can distinguish between 2 points of an object if they are separated by more than 0.22 millimeter when the object is placed at 25 centimeter from the eye. The object is now seen by a compound microscope having a 20 diopter objective and a 10 diopter eyepiece separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. The final image is formed at 25 centimeter from the eye. What is the minimum separation between the 2 points of the object which can now be distinguished? So basically we are given that PO is equals to 20 diopter, right, power of the objective, and power of the eyepiece is 10 diopter, right. So this will give you that FO will be equal to 1 upon PO, which will be equal to 100 upon 20, which will be equal to what? 5 centimeter, right. And FE would be equal to 100 upon 10 centimeter, so which would be equal to 10 centimeters. So we know the focal length of the eyepiece and the focal length of the objective, right? These two things we know. Now they are separated by a distance 20 centimeter. L is 20 centimeter, which is given to us. The final image is formed at 25 centimeter from the eye. That means VE is equals to minus 25 centimeter, right? Now it is saying what is the minimum separation between the 2 points of the object which can now be distinguished, right? Now the question is a little tough. You might not be knowing how to calculate this, how to calculate minimum separation, because we do not know any equation, we do not know any formula for calculating the minimum separation, but we know that when it was directly seen by the eye, it can distinguish more than 0.22 millimeter, right? Now for the minimum separation, the magnification should be highest. And what will do the magnification? Highest magnification is given by VO upon UO into 1 plus D upon FE, right? Now we know this formula, and this is for maximum magnification. For maximum magnification, now if you have to calculate the minimum separation between the 2 points which can be distinguished, we have to calculate the maximum value of the magnification, which is this, right? So we will calculate first of all the magnification, right? So we are given VE, we are given FE and FO, right? So I can calculate UE using the formula 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE is equals to 1 upon FE, or this will give me 1 upon UE would be equal to minus 1 upon 25 minus of 1 upon 10. So this would be equal to upon 50 minus of 7, right? So that means UE would be equal to minus of 50 by 7, right? So UE we know. So now if this is the microscope, this is the objective piece, this is the eyepiece, the total length is given to us, total length L, it is 20 centimeter, right? And UE is this point, this is UE, which is 50 by 7. So this would be equal to what? VO, because the image will be formed over here and which will act as an object for the eyepiece, right? So 50 by 7, so that means VO would be equal to 20 minus 50 by 7, which would be equal to 90 by 7, right? So I got VO. Now I need what? UO, because for the magnification formula I need UO. So again, using the formula for the lens, 1 upon VO minus 1 upon UO is equals to 1 upon FO, right? Because we know the FO. So that means 7 over 90 minus 1 upon UO would be equal to 1 upon 5. So that means that 1 upon UO would be equal to 7 upon 90 minus 1 upon 5. So this will give me that UO would be equal to 90 divided by of 7 minus 18, right? So this would be minus 90 over 11. That would be UO. Now I can calculate the maximum value of magnification M, because I know the VO now also, I know U also, I know D, I know FE also. So magnification will be given by VO is 90 by 7, UO is 90 by 11, 1 plus D is 25 upon FE. FE is 10, right? So if you calculate this, you get the value as 5.5, right? So magnification now I got magnification, right? And I have this, which was the initial initially when it was seen but directly by eye, if the distance between the object was 0.22 millimeter, it was being distinguished. So now what will be the minimum separation? Now the separation that would be required by a microscope will now become 0.22 divided by the magnification 5.5, which will give me a value 0.04 mm, right? So this is the answer. So that was the initial separation divided by the magnification will give you the final separation which is required, for which 2 points on an object can be easily distinguished. So this is the answer.